Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing the Redmi Note 7 Pro water test. Let's see if it can survive the water test. So before we get started, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also like this video for more content like this. Okay, so this is the space black color, and talking about the display, it's a 6.3 inch Full HD plus IPS LCD display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels. This variant that I'm holding right now is a 4 GB of RAM with 64 GB of storage. And it comes with Snapdragon 675, and this phone has Gorilla Glass 5 on the both sides, front and back. And as you can see, the phone is fully working. Now let's keep this phone in here. Now I'm gonna start the timer and start filling up the water. And as always, I'm gonna keep this phone in the water for 1 minute. And also this phone is not water resistant. Let's see if it can hold up in the water for 1 minute. And unlike the other phones, this phone is not responding to the touches in the water. Let's flip this phone. And now it's been 30 seconds in the water. Let's flip it back again. The display is still on. And again, it's not responding to the touches in the water. Okay, so now it's been 1 minute. Let's take the phone out. So this phone has been in the water for 1 minute. Let's see if the phone is still working. The water went inside the microphone, Type-C charging port, and in the speaker grill. And as you can see, the water also went inside the earpiece. So now let's clean the phone and let's see if everything is working. And yes, the phone is fully working. Also, it's very responsive to the touches. Let's check the camera. Let's take a quick photo of this box. And it's taking photos with good details and contrast. And now let's check the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is adding my fingerprint. That means the fingerprint sensor is working. And my fingerprint has been added. Let's check how fast it unlocks the phone with the fingerprint sensor. And yes, the fingerprint sensor is working. It unlocks the phone as soon as I touch the fingerprint sensor. Let's set face unlock. And now my face has been added. And yes, the face unlock is also working. It unlocks the phone without any problem. The water didn't went inside the front facing camera. And also the back camera looks perfectly fine. But there is still some water in the microphone, charging port, and in the speaker grill. Let's check the speaker. Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing Redmi Note 7 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus speed test. The Redmi Note 7 Pro has the speaker is working without any issues. It's loud and clear. And also the phone is getting charged. And yes, the LED notification light is also working. Volume rockers are also working. So yeah, the Redmi Note 7 Pro survived my water test. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and turn on bell notification to get notified every time I upload a new video, and also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.